Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to update your Outlook email signature in just 5 minutes. Whether you are adding a personal touch or simply refreshing your contact information, customizing your signature is a quick way to make your emails look more professional. Let's walk through the entire process together so you can get this finished without any hassle. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Once the page loads, click the Sign In button to proceed. You will need to enter your email credentials, including your address and password, to access your account. If you use multi-factor authentication, make sure to complete any additional verification steps required. After a successful login, you will arrive at your main Outlook inbox where you can see your messages and other tools. Now, look at the upper right corner of your screen for the gear icon, which represents your settings. Click it to open the menu that controls your account customization. A sidebar will appear on the right side of the screen. Scroll to the bottom of this sidebar and click on the link labeled View All Outlook Settings. This action opens a larger window with several categories. Navigate to the Mail section and then select the Compose and Reply tab. This is the specific area where you manage everything related to your email signatures, including any existing ones you have already created. To create a fresh signature, click the plus New Signature button. A blank text box will open where you can type in your name, phone number, and perhaps a professional slogan or company logo. Keep in mind that a simpler layout often looks much cleaner and is easier for recipients to read. Once you are satisfied with the design, look below the text box to set your preferences. You can choose which signature to use for new messages and which one to apply for replies or forwards by using the provided drop-down menus. To finish, click the Save button at the bottom of the window to apply your changes. You have now successfully updated your Outlook signature and are ready to make a great impression. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.